Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Alex and I talk about all things print on demand. In today's video, I'll actually be doing a Redbubble shop review video, a crowd favorite and one of my favorites as well. So I'm gonna check your links that you guys sent me and pick a few stores at random to review on camera for you guys now. If you guys want to have the chance to be featured in future review videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I always post a community post whenever I'm about to film one of these videos. So I'm asking for your links in advance, and that's pretty much your only way of getting in these videos is adding your name to that community post, because that's the only place that I pick stores from just to make it fair for everybody and so that everybody has an equal chance. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys like it, and I'll continue doing more of these review posts. Alright, with that being said, let's jump into my laptop and start with our first review. Okay, so right off the bat, they have a banner, which is great, and it does look like they spent some time in here, so I feel like their Smooth Wiz name kind of means wizard, obviously, with this picture here, so that's good that they tied it back to their name. And then they have pretty much the same thing as their profile picture. Oh, and they're from Romania, which is cool because I'm also Romanian, if you guys didn't know. I know a couple people have asked that in the questions, and yes, I am. Both my parents were born there, so yeah, and I've been there a few times as well. I love going back there. They have 14 designs, so it's probably a newer shop. Right off the bat, they have the Valentine's Day design as their featured collection, which is super smart because people will be looking for that up until, you know, the week or so before Valentine's Day. So it's nice that they have that here, and there's just some cute quotes here, so that's awesome. And then they have some collections here. For vector inspiration, I feel like people that are shopping won't really know what that means, so I would just say, like, I don't know, I'm trying to think of a way to word this. I guess I know you're like this type of design, but maybe just think of a different way to word it. Maybe like if it's just animals, add animal design, or I don't know, just whatever type of art, but don't say vector because I feel like that's kind of confusing. All right, so we have some cool designs here. Let's go into this cat one because you guys know that I love cats. Actually, wait, before we do that, let's look at your description. Alright, perfect. So you have a little bit about you and your work, and then you have all of your socials linked, which is awesome. People can go follow you there. And yeah, that's pretty much all you really need for that section. Okay, now let's go back to this one. Alright, so yeah, this is definitely a cute image, and I'm guessing that you made this yourself. And let's see, wanna be my Valentine mouse pad. So that is definitely cute. I'm not sure if people will search Valentine. I think you'd have more likely to get searches from saying like cat Valentine design or something, like wanna be my Valentine, cat lover, something like that, so that you can have more people find you. And I like the background, but I think it'd look cute if it was even like a light pink or maybe a light yellow, just so it doesn't look like it was plain white and, you know, as if that part of the design isn't filled. Alright, so we have a description here. A nice gift for Valentine's Day with a cat twist for all cat lovers and Valentines out there. I like that a lot. And then tags. Ooh, so you don't have a lot of tags. You just have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you definitely want to maximize your tags. So you can do like 15 to 20. So I would go ahead and add a few more so that, you know, you're maximizing your chances of being found. But other than that, good start to your store, and I definitely appreciate that it looks like you're designing all these from scratch, so just keep going, keep posting, and hopefully you'll make some sales. Alright, the next one we have here is Dreamy Cloud. I really like this background because I feel like it embodies like the Dreamy Cloud name really well, and it looks really like put together. And then I like they have the description here, so a shop for cozy sticker packs and more. So right off the bat, without even like looking at your designs, people can get an understanding of what you're trying to sell. And I absolutely love that you made your profile like a cartoon version of yourself, because that's just like a nice twist, and I feel like it definitely goes with your designs. Alright, so you have 14 designs as well. It seems to be a common number today, so it's probably another beginner. And then you also have the Valentine collection as your featured one, so smart. These first two stores are starting off strong, and right off the bat, I really love all your designs. You guys know I'm really into cute stickers and stuff like that, so the store is right up my alley. And we have collections here, which looks very nice. I like that you put the background on the collections here, so it's not just like the blank stickers. I think that looks really good. Okay, yeah, so you don't have too many designs. I forgot, you only had 14. For some reason I thought there was gonna be more, but definitely try to get more up here, because I feel like your like design style would do so well on print on demand or just like anywhere, because it's like so cute and exactly what people are looking for. All right, let's see a description. Yeah, that's a nice description. Once again, gives you a little bit about you and your plans for the future for your shop. And then you already have some like followers here, which is great. Let's see, which one do I want to go into? Let's go into this Valentine's Day one, since we're kind of on a Valentine's Day theme here. All right, so you have cute Valentine pack. So that's what you put as the name. You can definitely add a few more things. They do recommend 4 to 8 words as your title. So I would say maybe like cute teddy bear Valentine pack, or cute heart and teddy bear Valentine. Try to get like maybe all of those images that are in the stickers somehow included in your title. Okay, yeah, I love this description. It's super detailed and definitely expands on all the different designs that are in the sticker pack, so that is perfect. I'm not sure I have game roux here at the end. I'm not sure what that means, but let me know if that is something, because I don't know what that is. Oh, I love this cozy matcha drink. Okay, let's see. Okay, perfect. Yeah, lots of tags here, so you definitely got that covered. All right, so most of these are really good. For kids, for him, for her, you don't really need to add that in, because Redbubble will already like, you know, try to market these towards who they think will buy them, so it's kind of like useless to put that in there, but like all the Valentine's Day stuff is good. Yeah, I think that looks good to me. And that's all we have. So once again, another great store. I absolutely love your designs, so keep posting. I would love to see more from you in the future, and you know, maybe buy from you as well. So yeah, I'll go on to my next store now. All right, so my next store here has this big, bold, don't notice this as their banner. I think it's like just obviously like trying to be funny, which if that's like the type of designs they make, that's perfect. And then they have like this bird as their profile, and then 153 designs, which is awesome. That is definitely a lot. Let's go to their profile. Aspiring surrealist, finding my niche here. That's honestly great, because it shows you that they're like still trying to figure out what type of art that they like. And oh, they have a YouTube channel as well. They put their Instagram and their Kindle, and oh, they have a lot of followers too. So this store seems like they're doing pretty good so far. Let's see their designs. So yeah, they have a feature collection here, which is cute patterns. They have other collections. So yeah, as you can see here, they're definitely like trying to find their niche, because like they have such a wide variety of stuff, but that's okay. There's no harm in trying different things until you see what works. Yeah, so a lot of like text-based stuff, kind of like what you expected from their banner. All right, let's see what this artist sticker has. All right, so yeah, this is hard, because what else can you really say about this sticker than artist? Because yeah, like that's pretty much all it is. Like you could say like, I don't know, creative, artist, designer, I don't know, just get a few more keywords in there, because like I said in the previous shop, it is really good to try to aim for at least 4 words in your title. But I mean, the design is simple, so can't really go wrong with that. Definitely going for like a minimal look. Artists are cool. Okay, so maybe in your description add a little bit more here, just because you didn't have a lot in your in your title. So you want to use up all the space and try to get as many keywords in there. So try to put a little bit more for the description there. All right, so yeah, Valentine's Day, I don't think that's really that relevant. I know you're trying to get some of that traffic, but it might deter people, because you know, it's not really a Valentine's Day thing. Yeah, it's not Thanksgiving or New Year, so you don't want to tag spam. That might get you banned, or at least like a strike. So definitely try to keep it with like see like artist, postmodern, conceptual, sure, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, here you're like stating different types of artists, so that's fine, like editor, actor, rapper, singer, that's fine. But maybe just some of these ones in here I would take away and exchange with something that's a bit more relevant. All right, let's go on to the next store. So we have Adapto369. Right off the bat, their background is blurry, but like if that image was clear, it'd be so cool and I would love that. It's like a mystical forest, so I think that would really like be a nice background if you could somehow get it to not be blurry, because you guys know when things are blurry, it just deters customers because they either might think that the rest of your stuff is blurry, or they just like won't even give you a shot because they see a blurry store and they're like, oh, I want to buy from someone who has better quality stuff. So 5 designs here. I think you must be new as well, so that's cool. A lot of new-ish shops this time around. So we have our featured collection here, which is premium. I'm not sure what that means. Like premium could mean so many things, and with prints I feel like or like designs, it doesn't really make sense. So yeah, I would try to, if you don't have like a specific theme for this collection, maybe just say like most popular or something like that, just so that it makes a little bit more sense to people that are seeing it. And then we have some collections here, which is good. Let me just see your description. All right, I like they have like a little quote here, and then thanks for coming to my store, so that's good. All right, so let's go into, I like this neon floral one. Yeah, definitely try to get some more designs. Obviously, the sooner the better, because then you have more chance of showing up and selling things, but I like this one. I'm not sure if you like drew it yourself or how you made it, but I think it looks cool and would look good on like a lot of products. So you have neon illustration floral. So yeah, once again, you can add more. I feel like it's so weird. Every time I do these reviews, like a lot of the stores in the same review have a lot of the same like problems or do a lot of the same good things. Like it's so weird. I don't know how I like randomly pick them, that it's always like similar types of stores within each video. So for this one as well, like the previous ones, definitely should add a few more words to the title. You haven't even reached the 4 mark, which is like the minimum recommended one. So yeah, I would say like blue and black neon floral design, I don't know, neon floral summer, I don't know, something like that. This is a cool neon flower painting. Yes, it is, but you can definitely add a little more here. Like, I don't know what type of flowers those are, but you can put like the type of flowers, or I don't know, something like for all flower lovers, garden flowers, I don't know, something just to like get some more keywords in there. And then for tags, let's see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once again, you can definitely add a few more tags, and you tag neon 3 times, so that really doesn't count as anything. Like the first time you tag it will be the only time that it counts. You can add like, yeah, like blue, black, like pop art. I don't know if it's like pop art, but like, I don't know what type of art it is, just some other themes that would make sense for this one. All right, so our next store here, we have Muriel Expression. I really like their background. I'm really curious if you designed this because it looks so good. And here their profile picture seems to be like another one of their designs. They have 38 designs so far, so yeah, like fairly new as well. Keeping in with the trend of newer stores for this round. And we have the holiday collection here, so you have a bit of everything. I would definitely like tailor this featured collection to specific holidays. Like I can see you have a lot of Valentine's Day stuff here, so maybe just say Valentine's Day collection, and then this is, yeah, this is all Valentine's Day, so I would just say Valentine's Day, and then you can change that throughout the years. And then we have our collections here, which is great. Oh, this one's really cool. Let's see your description. Alright, that's a nice little description about the artist, and good job for having all these linked here. And let's look at the actual designs too. Yeah, a lot of cool stuff. Let me see here. I want to do a Valentine's Day one since since we're on a Valentine's Day theme for this video unintentionally. Okay, so this is just like a love, and it looks like cookies and sprinkles. And then it has the red border. So right off the bat, I wouldn't put the red border necessarily because I feel like that just doesn't make it look as good. Like if you can try to just get the image just itself. So like, for example, you could just have like a square so that you wouldn't have the red border. I mean, I think you did it because of the t-shirt, so it fits on it, so that's fine. But as long as you can't actually see that red border in the products, I think that's like all that matters. But yeah, I don't know if this is like an image you took or a stock image. Hopefully you can use it and not get copyright. But let's see the title here. Love is in the air, happy Valentine. So that's pretty cute. I would just capitalize these and maybe just write like Happy Valentine's Day or something like that, but otherwise it looks good, and you definitely used a lot of words in your title. The description here, beautiful way to express your love. Yep, but you can add a little bit more, like perfect gift for Valentine's Day, partner, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. And then yeah, just to get like a few more keywords. See, here's what I meant with the red. Like you don't want to be able to see this red on any of your designs because I feel like it just takes away from like the professional look. So if you can like, you know, stretch this out a little bit so that it covers that red. And then let's see. Yeah, I think this tag section looks pretty good. Like you got everything you really could. And you can always write like cookies or I don't know, desserts, because like technically that's what your shirt is. Like it has the cookies in it and that might attract like a different crowd. But otherwise it looks pretty good, and you have all the essential Valentine's Day tags in there. Alright, so those were all of my shop reviews for today. Thank you again so much for everyone that submitted theirs and was brave enough to submit theirs for a live review on my video. I love that a lot of the shops today were fairly newer shops, you know, with like less than, you know, 30 designs for the most part, and a lot of them had like similar themes going on, so this will definitely be like a Valentine's Day themed shop review, which I kind of love. I love seeing the Valentine's Day designs. If I reviewed your shop, let me know in the comments below and let me know how your shop is doing. It's always interesting to see, like, when you're looking at shops, it's like, oh, those designs are so good, but then people are like, oh, I'm not getting any sales. So sometimes it just takes a little bit of consistency with uploading a lot more designs and persistence to get that first sale, and hopefully more coming in. But that being said, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and thank you again for everyone that submitted their shops. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to get my notifications to see when I'll be doing my next store review and asking for your shop links. So definitely be sure to do that, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more shop reviews in the future. But yeah, that's all I have for today. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!